Hi there, Dr. Dave here, and it's time to rise and whine. When I was growing up, we had a fireplace in the living room, and on the mantel of the fireplace was an old-fashioned mantel clock. I don't know where it came from, how my parents got it. It never worked. It was always at just about 10 o'clock, as I recall, and they later gave it to me as a gift, and I've had it for quite a while, but recently took it in to a clock specialist who repaired it and got it working again. Someone looking at it admired it and said they liked a phrase that is at the top of the clock in sort of a medallion, and it's the Latin tempus fugit, which means time flies. It was really ironic that this was on a clock that wasn't working for so long, but I noticed something interesting. When it was restored, the ticking of this clock is really loud, and in that way, it matches the reminder right on the face that time flies. A reminder to me not to squander it, because not only does it fly, but it's really valuable as well. I hope you feel the same way about the time in your life and the opportunities to make sure that every second counts, whether you can hear it ticking on the clock or not. Rise and Whine is weekly, and if you enjoyed this episode, please like, comment, and share below. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and thank you for spending a minute of it with me.